working on a fence, I'm going to show you a really easy way to pick up all of your scraps. This is a great tool. This is a magnetic pickup tool. So there's a magnet in here, and this piece goes up and down and it releases the magnet. So basically you just go around and you'll see this picks up all of these pieces without bending over, all the screws and everything, so you don't get any flat tires. So you're cutting all these steel ties, and normally you have to pick them all up by hand. You just go around and use this tool, go to all your areas where you cut, and pick all around, and you get them all picked up. You'll have a nice clean job site, no flat tires. That's what it looks like. Picks them all up. After you release the lever, and see what happens. Drops them all. Anyway, that's the tool. It'll save you a lot of time and a backache.